Here at Jewett, we're very proud about our outpatient joint program. This program started in the June of 2016 when we decided to embark upon this path of outpatient joints. So when you're looking at outpatient joint surgery, it's a very complex procedure, and we need lots of help from all our partners to help make sure that our patients have a successful outcome. We partnered with our anesthesia provider, Unity Anesthesia, to help provide a pain protocol so our patients could undergo surgery safely and be discharged the same day. We also worked with our therapy provider, CORA, who helped establish a protocol for therapy so patients could get up and get walking safely and that they can be discharged on the same day as well. And of course, we worked with Kindred, one of our home health care providers, who help provide home therapy for our patients so they could start their therapy protocol at home and be seen until they return in the office 5 days later.